Yeah, this stuff is thick. There's no trail through here. Just the little tiny rabbit trails and stuff. Where you at? The saw palmetto grabs onto your clothes and holds you into place. You can't go through here with normal type clothes. Shreds them all up. You gotta come in here with like ripstop, very durable clothing. So this is a nice mixture of like all types of different scrubby type plants. Longleaf pine, slash pine. We got saw palmetto, regular cabbage palm. We have little oak trees growing sometimes here and there. But yeah, these environments are really, really cool. So I'm just trying to find y'all a suitable specimen to demonstrate what it is I want to show you today. All right, let's keep going. Oh, this is easier. You should try to get those ticks off you as soon as you find them, because these palmetto scrubs, they're full of them. They're full of them, chiggers and ticks. And as soon as you feel them crawling on you, get them off, flick them away, or kill them. Do whatever you want, but don't let them bury in. All right, let's keep going. Oh, cool! Check this out. These are pitcher plants. You may have seen these from one of my earlier videos. These are really, really neat plants. They're carnivorous, which means they eat animals, mostly bugs. So, but yeah, it's really cool to find these out here. This means that this area right here gets really wet during the rainy season. Yeah, cool. I'm sure there's plenty more around here. Yeah, that's neat. All right. What I wanted to show you today was saw palmetto. This here is an excellent wild food source. And as you can see, while tromping through tons of it, there's plenty out here. I'm going to show you what it takes to get into the inside of one of these so you don't go hungry. That there is the center, and that's what you want, the heart of the palm. I'm going to show you what it takes to get into it, and we're going to go ahead and try it. Alright, let's get started. Alright, you're going to want to wear gloves for this, because saw palmetto has little thorns all along each frond, and they will cut you. They will cut you. There's no joking about with that stuff, so you want to protect yourself. Alright. When you get yourself a good tool, obviously I'm going to use my old machete. Always use a good tool and make light work of it. Okay, let's get started. You want to clear off a lot of the leaves here, so now that we've exposed the stalk, let's go ahead and hack into it. All this stuff here is good for fire making. This is some of the best tinder there is. Save some of that. Ooh, that's rough. Let's see. Not quite yet. And like I said, that's very, very labor intensive. So be prepared to work. Ooh, it's starting to look nice. Look at there. Yeah. Good stuff. Yeah. About that much right there is edible. It's very fibrous. You can cook it, boil it up. You can fry it. I like it just like this. And you can take the center stock like this while you're on the trail, and you just pull it out just like that. And just like that. It's nice. There's tons of it out here. Best part is, that will not kill the plant. It'll go right back. It's usually the first couple inches. But yeah, there you go. That's a big chunk of food right there. Build up a thirst, excuse me. Oh, that's good. It's like I don't know if you've ever had palm hearts, but it's a real hearty, I don't know how to describe it. This chews like a potato, but without the mealy texture. That's good stuff. You get 4 or 5 of those, you'd be set for the evening. Like I said, it tends to be a bit labor intensive, so be prepared to work for it. But anything good worth having, you gotta work for it anyway. That'll keep me going for a while. All right, guys. That was lunch. Let's see what else we can get into, huh? All right.